Skipping these tasks could spell disaster for your garden next spring. Hey there, gardeners! November might seem like a quiet time, but if you want a garden that thrives come spring, this is the most critical month to take action. I'm going to share 10 essential tasks you must do to protect and prepare your garden for winter. Let's jump right in. Clean up the dead leaves. Those fallen leaves are more than just a mess. They can harbor pests and diseases. So, grab a rake and clean them up. Toss them into the compost bin to turn them into rich fertilizer for later. Protect your vulnerable plants. Got delicate plants? Cover them with a layer of mulch or frost cloth. It's a simple step, but it'll shield them from harsh temperatures and prevent root damage. Plant garlic now! Garlic loves the cold. Plant cloves pointy side up, 2 inches deep. By spring, you'll have strong, flavorful bulbs ready to harvest. Prune dead branches. Prune away dead or diseased branches to promote healthy growth and avoid spreading any infections. But keep it light, don't overdo it. Hydrate your evergreens. Your evergreens still need water. Give them a good soaking before the ground freezes to keep them lush and strong through winter. Clean and store your tools. Don't forget your tools! Clean them up, sharpen any dull edges, and store them properly. This keeps diseases at bay and gets you ready for next season. Winterize your lawn. Give your lawn one last trim and aerate if needed. Raking up any stray leaves helps keep your grass healthy and ready for spring growth. Plant your spring bulbs. It's now or never for spring bulbs. Plant tulips, daffodils, or crocuses at the right depth to enjoy a colorful spring garden. Bring potted plants indoors. If your potted plants can't handle the cold, move them inside. A bright sunny spot will keep them happy and healthy throughout the winter. Prep for winter pests. Lastly, clear away debris and inspect plants for pests trying to make your garden their winter home. Stay proactive to avoid problems later. And there you have it, 10 crucial tasks to wrap up your garden in November. Which one will you start with? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this checklist, hit the like button and subscribe for more garden saving tips. Happy gardening and see you in the next video.